Jai Hind. Welcome to today's class. In the last class, we have studied about the various forms of equations of line and their application. Today, we are going to study about the conversion of the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 to various forms. The first is how to convert to slope-intercept form. You know, the general slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus c, where m is called the slope and c is the y-intercept. We are going to do problems based on the same. First question. Equation of a line is given as 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. Find its slope and x and y intercept. Two questions. So you are given with the general equation of the line as given as 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. The first question is you need to find the slope. For to find the slope, we need to convert the equation to the slope-intercept form. Okay, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus c. Keep the term containing y on one side. That I am going to keep the term containing y on one side. That's the right side, 4y. The remaining terms on the left side are 3x plus 10, which is equivalent to 4y equals 3x plus 10. Therefore, y equals 3 by 4 x plus 10 by 4 dividing throughout by 4. Now, the given equation gets transformed into the form of y equals mx plus c. Therefore, what about the slope? Here, m equals 3 by 4 and y-intercept is y-intercept equals c, that is 10 by 4, which is the same as 5 by 2. So, first answer of the first question, therefore, slope of the line is slope equals 3 by 4. The second part is you need to find both the x and y intercept. If you want to find both the intercept, you need to convert the given standard equation to the intercept form. The general intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, in which a is called the x-intercept and b is the y-intercept. So for to get the x and y-intercept, you need to convert the given equation to x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form. Okay, we can check. Once again, I am going to write the given equation. You are given the equation as 3x minus 4y plus 10 equal to 0. My aim is to convert the equation to the intercept form for to get the x and y intercept. For to get the intercept form, you know that the right side is 1. So, 3x minus 4y, this 10 comes to the right side becomes minus 10. Dividing throughout with the minus 10, I get 3 by minus 10x minus 4 by minus 10y equals minus 10 by minus 10 is 1. Now I am going to arrange the equation. Listen to this. X divided by minus 10 by 3. Am I right? Why? Because taking the reciprocal and multiplying, you get this minus 10 by 3 becomes 3 by minus 10. These two minus becomes plus. This 4 by 10, I am going to arrange it as y on the numerator by this 4 by 10, I am going to arrange it as 10 by 4. Am I right? Why? Because y divided by 10 by 4 is the same as 4y by 10, which is equal to 1. Now, the given equation is of the form, which is of the form x by a plus y by b equal to 1, in which the x-intercept a is x-intercept. What is the x-intercept here? The x-intercept a is x by a. This is the x-intercept. X-intercept is, this is a x by a plus y by b equal to 1 form. Therefore, x-intercept is minus 10 by 3 and y-intercept is 10 by 4, which is the same as 5 by 2. Listen to the question also. Here also you got the value for y-intercept as 10 by 4 or 5 by 2. So this is the way you need to convert the given equation to or finding the slope or to intercept form. The next question is based on reducing an equation to normal form. Reduce the equation root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0 into normal form. Find the values of p and omega. You know that what a normal form is. Normal form is if an equation or if a line L is having a perpendicular distance p, and if that perpendicular makes an angle omega, then the equation or the standard normal form is x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p, where omega is the angle made by the perpendicular with the x-axis and p is the perpendicular distance of the line from the origin. This we already studied. Now our question is reducing the given equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 to normal form. Very important question. The procedure is like this. What is given for you? Given the equation as root 3x plus y minus 8 equal to 0. When arranging the equation in the standard form, you know that here ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a equals root 3, the value of b equal to 1 and the value of c equal to minus 8. So collect the values of a, b, c from the given equation. Now the procedure is dividing the equation throughout by dividing. If one, you can take this as equation number 1. Dividing equation 1 by root of a square plus b square. So remember, for to convert the equation x plus by plus c equal to 0 to the normal form, the procedure is dividing by root of a square plus b square. This is the procedure. Remember this. So dividing by root of a square plus b square means equals root of. What is a square here? A is root 3. So a square is 3 plus b is 1. So b square is 1. Root of 4, which is 2. So the given equation you need to divide throughout with a 2. Okay, we can divide. Therefore, equation 1 becomes root 3x by 2 plus y by 2 minus 8 by 2 equal to 0. You know what this 2 is? 2 is dividing throughout by root of a square plus b square. Our aim is to arrange to the x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p form. Okay, so right side I am going to take that p. So x into this I am going to arrange like this, x into root 3 by 2 plus y into 1 by 2. This minus 4 comes to right side, becomes plus 4, which is of the form x cos omega. This will be the cos omega plus y sin omega. This will be the omega or sin omega, which is equal to p. So the given equation reduces to x cos omega plus y sin omega equal to p form, where what is cos omega here? Cos omega equals root 3 by 2 and sin omega equals 1 by 2 and the value of p equals 4. Collecting the values from the standard form. Cos omega equal to root 3 by 2 and sin omega equal to 1 by 2. Which value of omega gives root 3 by 2 for cos theta? Which value of omega gives the value 1 by 2 for sin theta? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So from this clearly you can say that clearly omega equal to 30 degree. Why? Because cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sin 30 is 1 by 2 and p equal to 4. So our question is collecting the values of P and omega. So P equal to 4 and the angle omega equal to 30 degree. And next is a very important question. You need to find the angle between two lines. Find the angle between the lines y minus root 3x minus 5 equal to 0 and root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. You are given with two equations or two lines in the standard form. You need to find the angle between them. So, for to get the angle between two lines, you need to find the slope of each line. Suppose m1 be the slope of the first line and m2 be the slope of the second line. We have already studied that if m1 and m2 are the slopes of two lines, then the angle between them is tan theta equals modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 m2. Remember, the angle theta here always lies between 0 degree and 180 degree. Now, we can find how to find the angle between these two lines. What is given here? The given equations are, the first equation is y minus root 3x minus 5 equal to 0. For to find the angle, you want the slopes of both the lines. For to get the slope of the line, I need to arrange the equation in the slope-intercept form. Here arranging you get y equals minus root 3x comes to right side becomes plus root 3x plus 5. Which is of the form y equals mx plus c. Now the first line get converted to the form y equals mx plus c form. So the slope of the first line, therefore slope of the line 1. This you can think as line 1. This you can think as line 1. So the slope of the first line or line 1 is, the slope can be taken as m1 equals root 3. That's the first slope obtained for. Now, I need to take the second equation as root 3y minus x plus 6 equal to 0. This you can think as the second line. For the second line also, you need to arrange it in the form y equals mx plus c. Arranging this, you get root 3y equals minus x comes to right side becomes plus x. Plus 6 comes to right side becomes minus 6. Dividing throughout by root 3, you get y equals x by root 3 minus 6 by root 3. Again, which is of the form, this you can arrange like this, which is of the form 1 by root 3 into x plus 6 by root 3, which is of the form y equals mx plus c. This is your slope mx plus c. Here the second slope m or slope of the second line is slope of line 2. The second line is m2. We can take it as m2 equals 1 by root 3. So for to get the slopes, you need to arrange the equations in the form y equal to mx plus c. Now we need to find the angle theta. Therefore, angle between them is we can apply the formula tan theta equals modulus of m2 minus m1 divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. Substituting the values, you get modulus of m2 is 1 by root 3 minus m1 is root 3 the whole divided by 1 plus m1 into m2. m1 is root 3 into m2 is 1 by root 3. Just substitution of values. Here you can see that in the denominator root 3 get cancelled. Now on the numerator, if I take the LCM as root 3 upon, on the numerator if I take the LCM root 3, 1 minus root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. Now whole divided by, on the denominator 1 plus 1, 2 remains, which is equal to, remember it is in the absolute or the modulus value, 1 minus modulus of 1 minus 3 minus 2 divided by, this 2 also comes to the denominator as 2 root 3. So that again 2 get cancelled. Absolute value of minus 1 by root 3 when comes to you get plus 1 by root 3. Therefore, what obtained for you? Therefore, tan theta equals 1 by root 3. But we know that which value of tan gives 1 by root 3, which implies theta equals. Which value of tan gives 1 by root 3? Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Therefore, angle between lines is, therefore, angle between the lines is 30 degree. Next is a very important question as far as result 2. Show that two lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 are parallel if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 and perpendicular if a1i2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. The condition for parallel and perpendicular already studied in terms of slope. Now we are going to study the condition for parallel and perpendicular in terms of the coefficients of x and y. We know that two lines are parallel if their slopes are equal and perpendicular if the product of their slopes is minus 1. Using this result, we are going to prove the given question. From the given question, I need to arrange the equations given. The line 1 is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. For to get the slope, I need to arrange the equation the slope under subform, which is b1y equals, keep the y term on the left side and bring all the other terms to the right side, minus a1x minus c1, which implies dividing throughout by b1 we get y equals minus a1 by b1 into x minus c1 by b1. Now, which is of the form y equals mx plus c. Therefore, slope of the first line m1 is, therefore, slope of the line 1 m1 equals, what is the slope of first line? Minus a1 by b1. In the same way, I am going to arrange the second equation. Also, the second equation given to us a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Arranging in the slope under subform, we get b2y, keep it on the left side, bring all the other terms to the right side, plus a2x comes to the right side, becomes minus a2x minus c2. Now, dividing this equation throughout with a b2, you get y equals minus a2 by b2x minus c2 by b2. Now, this equation also gets arranged in the form y equal to mx plus c. This slope you can think as m1, this you can think as m2. Therefore, slope of the second line, slope of the line L2, m2 can be taken as minus a2 by b2. Thus, we got the two slopes. From the first line, you got the slope m1 and from the second line, you got the slope m2. Now, we need to prove the conditions for parallel and perpendicular. First condition or first question is that if L1 is parallel to L2, if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. M1 must be equal to M2, which implies, what is the value of M1? Minus A1 by B1 equals minus A2 by B2. Cancelling negative on both sides, you get A1 by B1 equals A2 by B2. Thus, a very important result, if two lines are parallel, if line L1 equal to L2 or L1 parallel to L2, then their slopes are equal and hence the ratio A1 by B1 equals A2 by B2. But the question states that A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. What we need to do? Dividing the numerators, you get A1 by A2 equal. Dividing the denominators, you get B1 by B2. If two fractions are equal, then the ratio of the numerators must be equal to the ratio of the denominator. So, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. That's the first result. Now, come with the second question. perpendicular if a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0. This we need to prove. Second condition is that if the line L1 is perpendicular to the line L2, we have the product of their slopes m1 into m2 is minus 1. What is m1? m1 means minus a1 by b1 into m2 is minus a2 by b2 equals minus 1. These two minus sign becomes plus, which implies a1 a2 by b1 b2 equals minus 1. Cross multiply, you get a1 a2 equals cross multiply, you get minus b1 b2. Bring all terms to one side, we get a1 a2 minus comes to the left side becomes plus b1 b2 equal to 0. Very important result. If two lines are perpendicular, then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 equal to 0, where a1 a2 b1 b2 are the coefficients of x and y in the standard equation. And if two lines are parallel, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, or you can think as a1 by b1 equal to a2 by b2. Come with the question. Find the equation of the line perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passing through the point 1 minus 2. You need to find the equation of a line which is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and the required line passes through the point 1 minus 2. Let L be a line which passes through the point 1 minus 2 and is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. You need to find the equation of the line L. The line L passes through the point P. So the passing through point is obtained for you. So if we can find the slope of this line M, then we can find the equation of the line with the point slope form. What is the point slope form? Y minus y naught equal to the slope M into x minus x naught, where x naught or y naught is the given point. So the point is not for you, the slope is enough. But for to get the slope of this line, remember this line is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. So the slope of this line along with the slope of this line, the product of their slopes will be minus 1. Let us find given x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0. From this I am going to find the slope of this line. Arranging, you get minus 2y comes to right side becomes plus 2y equal to x plus 3, which implies y equal to, dividing throughout by 2, you get y equals 1 by 2 x plus 3 by 2. Am I right? So which is of the form y equals mx plus c. Therefore the slope of this line is, therefore slope of the perpendicular line is, slope of the perpendicular line, this I am going to take it as m1 or m2. Slope of the perpendicular line we can take it as m2 equals 1 by 2. Thus I got the slope of this line m2 as 1 by 2. But the first line and the second line are perpendicular to each other, but the product of their slopes is minus 1. Since the lines are perpendicular, the product of their slopes is minus 1. My aim is to find the slope m1. So m1 equals minus 1 by m2 equals minus 1 by, what is the value of m2? 1 by 2. Division of two fractions, write the first fraction as if it is, take the reciprocal and multiply, get minus 2 is the slope m1. Therefore m1 equals minus 2. Thus the slope of the required line is obtained. Therefore the required line passes through which point? 1 minus 2 and having slope m equals and having slope m equal to minus 2. Therefore, equation of the line in point slope form. I am going to write the point slope form of the equation. What is the equation in form? Y minus y naught equal to the slope m into x minus x naught. Substituting the values you get y minus. What is the value of y naught? Y naught is minus 2 equals the slope m. What is the slope m? Minus 2 into x minus the value of x naught is 1. Arranging you get y minus minus 2, y plus 2 equals minus 2x plus 2, minus 2x plus 2. Or arranging it in the standard form, you get minus 2x comes to left side becomes plus 2x. These two 2's get cancelled. So minus 2x comes to left side becomes plus 2x plus y equal to 0, which is the equation of the required line, which is perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 3 equal to 0 and passes through the point 1 minus 2. Next, we need to study a formula for to find the perpendicular distance of a point Px1, y1 from a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let ax plus by plus c equal to 0 be the given line, and let Px1, y1 be a point in this plane. If you want to find the distance means the perpendicular distance of this point from the plane, the formula is d equals absolute value of y. Absolute value, distance never becomes negative. Ax1 means that in this line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. X1 means you have to substitute the value of x1, ax1 plus b y1 means you have to substitute the value y1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. D equals ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of the coefficient of x1, that is a square, plus the coefficient of y1, that is b square. Distance never becomes negative, that is why we need to put a modulus value. I will do a problem to get a clear idea. Find the distance of the point 3 minus 5. Suppose the point is given as 3 minus 5. You need to find the distance of this point 3 minus 5 from the line. The line is given as 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. Without by hearting the formula, we can do distance d, the perpendicular distance d equals 3, the given equation is 3x minus 4y minus 26 equal to 0. 3 x1 means this is your x1 y1 now. In the general form there is an x1 y1. This is your x1 y1 now. 3 x1 means you need to substitute the value of x1. 3 into 3 minus 4 into 4 y1. y1 means you need to substitute the value of y1 as minus 5 minus 26. The whole divided by root of the coefficient of x square, that is 3 square, plus the coefficient of y square, that is minus 4 square. This is the standard formula ax1 plus by1 plus c, in which replace the x and y with the values x1 and y1. So in the problem, your x1 y1 is 3 minus 5. So replace the x and y with the 3 and minus 5. So 3 into 3 minus 4 into minus 5 minus 26 divided by root of coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Here coefficient of x is 3 and coefficient of y is minus 4. Okay, we can simplify. This is within the modulus value. Distance never becomes negative, which is equal to absolute value of 3 into 3, 9 plus 20 minus 26, the whole divided by root of 3 square is 9 plus 4 square is 16. This must be the absolute value, which implies D equals 29 minus 26 is 3 by 16 plus 9 is 25. Within the root 25 comes as plus 5. So the absolute value of 3 by 5, or you can say that the distance D equal to 3 by 5 units. Now, if you want to find the distance between two parallel lines, we have another formula. The case one is that if the parallel lines are given in the form y equal to mx plus c, you know that if two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal, so we represent both the slopes with m. Suppose line or the first line is y equal to mx plus c1 and the second line is y equal to mx plus c2. If you want to find the distance between these two parallel lines, the formula is d equals absolute value of c1 minus c2 divided by root of 1 plus m square, where m is the slope of the line. This formula you can apply only if the lines are given in the slope-intercept form. But case 2 is, if you want to find the distance between two parallel lines, if they are in the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. If two lines are parallel, then when writing the standard form, the x coefficient and the y coefficients are same for both the equations. Ax plus by, the only difference comes in the constant term c2 equal to 0. So, if the given lines are the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0, distance can be found out by using the formula. The same numerator, absolute value of c1 minus c2 by root of, instead of the slope m, you need to apply root of a square plus b square. So, by heart these two formula. Once again, distance between parallel lines, if they are given in the form y equal to mx plus c1 and y equal to mx plus c2, you need to apply the first formula in which the denominator comes as 1 plus m square, and if they are given in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, the denominator comes with root of a square plus b square. Come with the question. Find the distance between the parallel lines. Here, the lines are given in the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. We need to find the distance between two parallel lines. Given equations are, or given lines are, first line is 3x minus 4y plus 7 equal to 0, where a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, but c1 equal to 7. And come with the second equation. The other line is 3x minus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Here, as comparing with the general form, a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4, but the value of c2 equals 5. If the lines are given in the form ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0 and ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then the distance between them, distance d between them, can be found out by using the formula absolute value of c1 minus c2 by root of a square plus b square. We can apply the values equals absolute value. What is c1 minus c2? 7 minus 5 by root of a square plus b square. Both a and b are same. Here a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4. Here also a equal to 3, b equal to minus 4. So, a square plus the value of b square is minus 4 the whole square, which is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2 by 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, square root of 25 is 5. So, the answer is 2 by 5 units. Absolute value of 2 is 2. So, the distance between these two parallel lines is 2 by 5 units.